G'day guys, so today we are talking about how to put on and use knee sleeves. The purpose of a knee sleeve essentially is to heat up your fluids within your kneecap or in your knee, your synovial fluid, so that you start to move a bit more freely and a bit more pain-free before you start moving your heavier loads, right? So they're a good little stability and also knee warmth item, if you like. Really good. They won't give you any mechanical advantage, which is really good, because unlike the knee wraps, they're going to help you spring out of the hole. These are just going to make sure that your knees are feeling really good, and you're probably going to get a truer working weight out of the load. So when you're moving your weight, you're pretty much at raw anyway. Right, so let's talk about how to get these bad boys on. Well, first things first, as you can see, I have taken one of my shoes off. You are going to need to take one of your shoes off. Sizing. Essentially what you want to do is probably buy a size down from what you would normally buy. So for example, if you say sit at a large, normally I would suggest probably buying a medium, and the reason being is because sure, they'll be really tight at the start, but over time they stretch. As you can see, it looks very much like a wetsuit and feels very much like a wetsuit item, and so they stretch over a period of time, especially with a bit of heat and a bit of sweat in there. They're gonna stretch. So yeah, go potentially a size down. Mind you though, check your sizings and all the rest of that stuff. Right, so first point of call, take your shoe off. The next point, how I would go about doing this is simply fold it in half. Obviously, so that's something to be aware of. One end is obviously designed for your calf section of your leg, and then the other end is designed for your quadricep. So the circles obviously are bigger at the top and smaller at the bottom. You want to roll down towards the bottom, so that it looks something like this. Now we are also going to make another roll to here, and what you're going to do is use that roll there as where you latch on and you pull from. Something to note, most of them have a left or right tab on them. I'm an idiot. This one says right, and I'm going to put it on the left leg. Don't do this, but obviously stick to the left and the rights. Right, so really simple, put it on just like you would a sock, and it's going to get to here, and this is where you're going to need a little bit of elbow grease, and you're going to pull from your second roll up until it's nice and stable, and then simply let it roll up and off, and you have yourself a perfectly placed knee sleeve. And these bad boys, feeling really good. I stole this from one of the other PTs. Thank you, Michael, to demonstrate to you today. So, yep, that is how you use a knee sleeve. I hope you've enjoyed this video.